Good afternoon. It's Martin Muoto, CEO and Managing Partner of SoLa IMPACT. It's a pleasure to be with you virtually. I'm speaking from our Beehive campus, the nation's first Opportunity Zone business campus in the heart of South LA. We've continued to make incredible progress on the campus and expect to unveil it at the end of the year. It really is a pleasure to participate in Novogradac's virtual conference on opportunity zones. Novogradac has been a great partner of ours for many years, and we really look for them for critical advice. I think I want to really acknowledge the times that we're in today. I hope that your families and your loved ones are safe. And the country is certainly grappling with tremendous issues, both in response to COVID-19, but the fundamental issues of race and racial inequality. And I think it's just a very important opportunity for the Opportunity Zone community to respond to this critical time by really focusing on the impact that we are having on our communities across the country, in urban cities, in rural communities. We just collectively have an opportunity to really move the dialogue and move the communities that we invest in forward. And so I'm really pleased to be able to bring you a message of hope and a message of promise that in a unified way, Opportunity Zone managers, investors, consultants, the entire ecosystem around Opportunity Zones can participate in rebuilding the country's infrastructure in a very meaningful way. We see this as an incredible opportunity and an incredible responsibility. And again, are very pleased that Novogradac has given SoLa IMPACT and other great funds and influencers a platform to talk about what we're doing. As I mentioned, we're at the Beehive in the South Central Los Angeles community, a community that's predominantly a Black and brown community that is struggling with a lot of the issues that the country as a whole is facing today. And we believe that our efforts are really making a material impact. As an example, 2 years ago, SoLa IMPACT had the opportunity to give away $10,000 in scholarships and financial aid to the community. Last year, we gave out $100,000 to 27 deserving young people from the South LA community. They're pictured behind me. It was an incredible group of aspiring future leaders. 26 of the 27 were African American and Hispanic entrants into 2- and 4-year colleges. Almost half of them were the first person in their family going to university or college, and 1 in 4 had experienced homelessness at some point in their lives. We think that this is just one example of ways that Opportunity Zones can invest deeply in their community. This year, I'm pleased to announce that we're giving away $1 million through our nonprofit affiliate, the SoLa I Can Foundation, to people that have been impacted by COVID-19. We've launched the COVID Retraining and Recovery Scholarship Fund specifically to enable folks that have been furloughed or laid off due to COVID-19 to go to vocational training programs, community colleges, and other practical vocational schools that enable them to retool and reskill for jobs in healthcare and technology that not only are going to be in high demand in a post-COVID economy, but will really change the trajectory of their lives. We're super excited about the key participants we have in that program. Despite some of the fallout from COVID-19, SoLa IMPACT continues to plow ahead. We currently have over 700 affordable apartments that are in various stages of construction. We intend to build and deliver another 800 in our current Opportunity Zone Fund, and we continue to see incredible interest in the Beehive, our Opportunity Zone business campus. In the Beehive, we intend to attract minority and women-led businesses and ensure that they are also able to take advantage of the Opportunity Zone legislation. And in addition to that, mentor them, provide services that ensure their success and access to capital. We think that the Opportunity Zone legislation is an incredibly important tool that should be accessible to folks from all walks of life to encourage entrepreneurship, innovation, and access to opportunity. And so we're very excited about what the Beehive represents, not only to the community, but to the future of other Opportunity Zone projects. I want to finish off this with a challenge to all of the Novogradac participants. The country is going through some incredible turmoil, and this really represents an opportunity for us to set the example, to really deliver true social impact in the communities that you are investing in. Whether that's in rural America, whether that's in urban settings, whether that's on the commercial side or in the business context, there are just incredible opportunities and the need for us to deliver true social impact to the communities that we work in and invest in. Thank you for this incredible opportunity to participate in this very valuable Novogradac conference. We look forward to continuing our dialogue with many of you and watching your journeys at this time.